So today I am at Shipwreck Beach, or Shipwreck Cove. It's an exposed cove, sometimes referred as Smuggler's Cove, on the coast of Zakynthos. On the 2nd of October 1980, the boat MV Panagiotis, I think it's that, ran aground in the waters from Zakynthos Island on Navigo Beach. During stormy weather and bad visibility, some rumours claim the ship was smuggling, but sources do not confirm this. And the captain was never actually convicted of any offences. After the captain alerted the authorities, 29 locals were convicted of looting the cargo ship of valuable equipment. The ship was abandoned and still rests buried in the limestone gravel of the beach, which has now got the nickname Shipwreck Beach. Little bit of other history on it. The beach was temporarily closed in 2018. Swimming and boat anchoring were forbidden after a bit of the cliff collapsed over the beach, dropped a large amount of rock. The beach reopened an anchoring permit with restrictions because of the concerns about what happened back in 2018. And the second half of this video is we're on a boat trip with Spiros. So if none of you know who Spiros is, he sells tickets. Him and his crew sell tickets in Planos. I recommend going with him because he goes there early and he gives you a good tour. You also go through some caves. Yeah, he shows you this rare purpley blue rock slash coral. I can't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but it's something extra he does. And he also takes you to this blue lagoon that you swim in, and some of the footage is from that. And then also he tries to get you really wet whilst driving the boat, so he's a fun guy to go with. So yeah, I recommend going with Spiros, and just please hit the like button, please enjoy.
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me